If you watch my videos, you will recognize this area. I did a jetting job here and found a pretty severe pipe dislocate, and roots were growing in like crazy. Couldn't get them with the chains, so I had to jet it all out. I had to jet it all out just to be able to see what the heck was going on because the roots were so bad. But the reason I'm zoomed in right here is I located the camera head, and that's exactly where the pipe break is. Pipe separation, dislocate. It's 3 feet 3 inches down. So we're gonna saw cut right down these seams, jackhammer this out, dig it up, and put in a two-way clean out and some ABS pipe right here, because there's plenty of room to do that. So, come along for the journey. Found the pipe. What is that? What are those things?
Old electrical.
Oh. We found the pipe, but we had to widen this dramatically. That should probably be enough, no? This looks surprisingly way bigger
Then what?
than what we had.
It's half a tire.
Yeah. I thought we'd have to take out more, but but the pipe was it's pretty deep. It's pretty darn deep, and if we didn't open this a little bit more, we just wouldn't have been able to get it in there. I wouldn't have been able to get in there myself. Here, let me help you get the boulders out. There is our separate right there. What is that, 4 inch? Yeah. Alright. I gotta go to Hirsch. I don't have any pipe. So I'll be right back.
Cut through the cast iron.
Yeah, I need to tell everybody to stop. Did the water in there stop? Or is it still going? It's still going, huh?
It's trickling.
I just don't want this trench getting full of
fucking shit.
dookie water.
Yeah, because once we cut it, I can dig it out a little more if we have to.
Alright. So we're going to use, this is a 4x4 clay to PVC, and then we got this strong back that we're going to use on the cast iron. Alright, so because the space that we have in the trench isn't as big as I'd like, we're going to use a street Y just to shrink this just a little bit. So we got some glue here and a little tech tip. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but there's lines on the fittings, and if you want things to line up perfectly, you just line the fittings up. You just line the fittings up with the lines. Really should have a bigger dauber, but whatever. That's all I got. Could have gotten some at Hirsch, but whatever. Okay. And then line those lines up. See it? Perfectly lined up. There you go, that one's good. Do the same on this. Let's clean that out a little bit. If you want to get them nice and level, just glue it in and push it against the floor. It ain't rocket science, as Steve Lab would say. Rocket science. Nice. Don't put it there because I don't want that rolling off and smacking you in the freaking head exactly like that. There you go. Look at all the roots. Wow. All right. Let's let's dig out so we can get the band up under there. Here. So we cut off another portion of the cast iron and it's straight up crack. You can throw it over there. Yeah. Well, that's why we're installing this two-way clean out. If we have to line it, we can. It'll be fine. Okay, let's yeah. And keep going until you hear that thing pop. Now do it like a couple more times. Now make sure the other strap is good. There you go. You're good. That's good. That's good. Okay, now take this out. And now make sure there's no dirt in the pipe, in the clay. There's nothing in the clay?
Nope.
Is there any way you can get your head in there and see?
No. I could. From here, I can see the lip. There's no dirt.
Okay. Now stick that sucker in there as far as you can go. You need grease. If it just won't go, I have grease. But that should go all the way in, pretty much. Like there should be about 2 inches of pipe.
That's about 2 inches.
Okay. Okay, now, where's the tape measure? Now we want to get that measurement. Where's the tape measure? There it is. Now measure. Now get on this side. Get that shovel out of there if you can. And now measure on this side. See, it's lining up nicely. So you want to measure to the lip.
Don't you want the center of this though?
No. You want to measure the entire length of that hub. So put the tape measure up to the lip of the cast iron. So it looks like to me that's 4. What do you think? 4 3/4?
Yeah. If
4 3/4?
Yeah, I was.
Let's do one. Let's do 4. Let's see. Let me see it. 4 7/8. Is that it? 4 5/8. Sorry. Let's do 4 5/8. And then put that. That's going to need to go fully onto the cast iron. Here, pull the two-way clean out of there. I don't want that to get too muddy in there. I don't want that fitting getting all muddy. All right. Almost there. It's like every time you hit it, it looks like it's... Okay, now slide that coupling. There you go. There you go. Make sure those bands stay, you know. Going. There you go. There you go. A little more, a little more, a little more. Probably about right there. Just clean that sucker off. Keep those bands facing towards the top.
Yep.
All right, let me grab the level. Now throw this on the top of the cleanout. It's not tight, is it? Nope, flat on its face. Flip it around. Oh, no, like this. There you go, like that. Yeah, put it down. Now see the top one? Now just, there you go. Yep, there you go. So that is level. Now you can tighten that up. You can give me the level.
I'm surprised that's how that goes.
Huh?
I didn't know you leveled like that. I thought you put straight on top.
Oh, you can do it either way. There's your two-way clean out right there. Mission band, and then strong back, front toe. Okay, let's get those risers in there. Where did I do with the tape measure? Right? Oh, there it is right there. All right, let's just measure. So, can you pull? Just hold it there. And there you have it. Two-way clean out, going towards the building and then towards the street. So here's a cool tool that I don't use very often. When you cut the pipe and it gets these burrs, just kind of cleans it off. Does the inside as well. I gave him one. Do you still have that reaming tool I gave you?
I don't think it's for this size pipe.
It does. It fits up to 4-inch. I don't like that one as much as this one, because this one you can go back and forth.
Oh, you're talking about, I know what
That
you're talking
reed
about.
one I gave you.
Yeah. Cut that straight. It's just gonna be one block of concrete level. I think it'll look good.
Yeah, I don't know. We'll see. Maybe. I just don't want to do the concrete up to the tile, and they're like, oh, well, we want to still do tile. Because if we concreted up to the tile, then you have no room for the thin set. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah, I know.
I gotta check with the owners.
I get what you're saying.
All right, that's it.